Hello friends, Rahul is with you and today I will show you how to earn $1,200 by using the two simple indicators. So anyone can handle this strategy. So let's not hesitate and let's get started. By the way, every Friday I run a marathon that lasts until Sunday inclusive. And I share a lot of signals in a closed channel and each participant comes out with a profit. This is a great opportunity to try the trading in a team and earn money. So join us and see you at the marathon. And now let's move on to the settings themselves on the Olymp Trade platform. And after that, I will tell you about the simple but profitable indicators. First, you need to install Japanese Candlesticks. In my opinion, they are the most convenient for analyzing the graph. Now let's move on to the indicators themselves. You need to enable DeMarker and Alligator. You can see the settings on the screen. The main indicator that will be used to import and analyze in the DeMarker. I will trade today on the GBP USD currency pair. Its profitability is 93% and I am happy about it. So how does DeMarker work? It is very simple. If the DeMarker falls below the 0.3 level oversold zone and begins to turn up, this indicates a possible upward and trend reversible. In this case, we open a deal to increase for 1 minute, waiting for a short-term rise. If the DeMarker rises above the 0.7 level overbought zone and begins to turn down, the signals a likely downward reversible. In such a situation, we open a deal for a decrease in the order to make money on the possible price reduction. The initial balance today is $100 and the transaction time is 1 minute. And now let's start our trading session. I am opening a trade for a decrease in the amount of the $100 since DeMarker has reached the overbought zone and turned down from the 0.7 level. This indicates a likely price decrease, so therefore the deal is for a decrease. Since I expect a short-term downward movement and now we are waiting for the completion of the first transaction. The first deal was successfully completed. I had no doubt. My balance is growing and already stands at $193. A good start, but we will not stop there and move on. So the situation on the chart has not changed. The second trade will be at $163. I am opening a down position as DeMarker has reached the overbought zone and turned down from the 0.7 level. This indicates a possible price decrease and I see a weakening of buying activity which confirms the profitability of a reversible. I expect a short-term decline and a good profit from the deal. In general, I didn't expect any other option. The deal has ended and my balance is growing again. Great friends, the balance is already $344 and now we are moving on to the third transaction. Oh yes, I almost forget. My question is for you. Are you looking for an individual approach to trading training? In personal mentoring, I will work with you one-on-one. So I not only give the signals but also teach you how to use them for the maximum profit. You will receive my support at every stage and you will be able to reach a new levels in the trading. If you are interested in this and you want to make income in the trading, then write to me soon. So places are limited. And now back to the third deal. I am opening a 300 downgrade deal, $300. Nothing has changed. DeMarker shows oversold again and turned down from the 0.7 level. The reasons remain the same. There is a weakening of consumer activity and the market seems ready for a correction. I believe that the price will continue to move down, so I hope for the same good profit from this deal. The trend for the growth of my balance sheet does not stop. Isn't it wonderful? My balance increased to $623 after 3 transactions. This is not a bad amount considering that I started with $100. Okay, I haven't finished my trading session yet. Let's move on to the last trade. And here comes the last and final deal. This time I am opening a deal for the $600 raise. Despite the fact that the situation remains the same, I observe a slight upward jump. This may be temporary correction before the downtrend continues, but I believe that the current support will hold the price. I expect the market to return to growth, so I decided to go up and take advantage of this opportunity to make a profit. Phew, it was still a bit risky, but I took my profit again and increased my balance to $1,181. This is just crazy. Guys, you can all make good money with this trading strategy and the indicators. I see great results myself and I know that you can succeed too. I have a cool opportunity for you, a trading bot that issues the signals just for you. You can trade directly from your phone and it's incredibly convenient. The bot works quickly and accurately, helping to make the decisions in real time. With it, your chance for the success in the trading will increase, and don't miss the chance to change your life and start earning today. All the links you need are in the description. I am waiting for you, and Rahul was with you, and see you soon.